Let us imagine that your state of meditation is very high. Now you are on the platform where you don't experience attachment aversion. You only experience love of God. Then what answer you will get? I want to give that answer today. The whole world is dream in nature. But if you do not have attachment aversion, then how to recognize we do not have attachment aversion? Because this is the winter in India. This is January. And we are experiencing cold. Temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. Whatever cold you are feeling before, after practicing Kriya Yoga meditation little bit what I gave, do you feel cold less or more? Cold is lesser or more? If you are feeling cold more, raise your arms. If you are feeling cold less, then raise both arms. If cold less, then both arms raise. If okay, then succeeded. You have become nearer to God. Why it happened? Because what Kriya Yoga is there, you practiced it. Listening of lecture of any realized master will have no effect until you practice Kriya Yoga meditation. Otherwise you will get confusion. Oh, word is dream, then leave word. Then be with the God, then where is God? Somewhere else other than this world. Earth is not God, the sky is not God, whole world is dream nature. I do not want dream, I want presence of God. But remember, when you practice Kriya Yoga meditation, what is the principle and philosophy? God has become all. God has become his dream. What God is dreaming, it is presence of God. Dream is one with the dreamer. You cannot separate a dream with the dreamer. It means God has become earth. God has become solar system. God has become stars. God has become all. God has become your presence at two toes. And when you practice Kriya Yoga meditation, now we realize we feel less cold than before. It means now attachment aversion towards cold is reduced. If attachment aversion is reducing, it means we are nearer to God. It means what you have lectured, now you understand. Without practicing Kriya Yoga meditation, you will understand, you will have confusion, then purpose of Yogananda will not fulfill, oh India, I will be there. Paramahansa Yogananda, Lahiri Mahashaya, Jesus Christ, or Krishna Bhagavan, or anyone, and read their writings, we cannot understand without practicing of Kriya Yoga meditation. And if you are practicing Kriya Yoga meditation automatically and listening the lecture, reading the thing, then you will understand it. What we are doing in India, we are fulfilling the prophecy of Paramahansa Yogananda, oh India, I will be there. But we heard this speech. Let us imagine that we don't know Kriya Yoga meditation, but we are hearing a speech of Yogananda. Okay, all right, dream nature is God. But I do not want dream, I want reality. Then forget this earth, don't do any work. No agriculture, no cultivation. Forget mother, father, don't serve, they are dream. Forget children, they are dream. Forget the trees, they are dream. Anybody cutting the tree, let them cut it, is dream. Then we will have misunderstanding a great. But when you practice Kriya Yoga meditation and listen, then you will have a concept. The dream is always with the dreamer. You cannot separate dream with the dreamer. It means whatever dream we are experiencing, heat and cold, pain and pleasure, comfort, discomfort, head to toes, and this universe, whatever we are experiencing, believe it is presence of God, because God is one with this dream. Then when you practice it, then we find our attachment aversion is reduced. It means our path of self-realization is correct. We are very, very fortunate that we are now nearer to God. Then we want to prove that cold has no effect on us. No hachu, sneezing, cold cough. Then when you practice, what happens in the body? Our length of inhalation is automatically increased. Our breath becomes calm. Inhalation time is automatically increased. Exhalation is lesser than inhalation, but both inhalation and exhalation become subtler, more subtle. When you breathe like that, inhalation and exhalation is more loud, then we are going to experience attachment aversion very easily. Then we are away from God. Now let us decide while working, practice Kriya Yoga meditation. What is Kriya Yoga meditation? Feel head to toes, it is one with God. If you are working for cooking, working for cleaning, working for agriculture, working for washing, whatever you are doing, do not worry about anything. Just keep on experiencing breath, head to toes, changes within, love it is presence of God, then work. Then whatever work we will do, this is called working for God. Working for God, what does it mean? Because when I am working, I feel now less attachment aversion on the platform of senses. But I want to prove it more, then change work. We are doing cooking, then do cleaning, then change work. We are going to help all the car and buses to clean it properly, then change the work. Then keep on changing the work and prove that during all activities, whatever we perform, we appreciate all changes within head to toes, what we feel. We love it, presence of God. Then you will realize what is the meaning of work. Work is worship. Because by changing different work, we feel more and more different changes within head to toes. We have more ability to love them. Therefore, work is worship. Okay, I am computer engineer. I am great because I am getting $200,000. And thus I do not want any other work. Getting dollar is not the aim of life. Experiencing presence of God is the aim of life. Therefore, during computer work, you must keep on doing other work also. Work with the leg, walking to serve others. Work with the arm to expand activities of the arm to serve others. These things we have to realize.